Okay, day 32 of trading with Apex. And this is where the account, my eval is right here. Made like 200 bucks today, which is cool. And bear with me, I'm a little stopped up. And so if I cough or sniffle, that's why. It's like I'm coming down with a cold or something. So in my eval that I've been trading, I have not been trading my PA. I brought it up a little bit today, which is cool. So the trades that I took, did not trade that first hour of the New York session. And surprisingly, I did not take 10 EMA trades today. I actually played, well, at least on this first trade, I played a hammer candle. You guys have been hearing me, or if anybody's been watching this, you've been hearing me talk about hammer candles at a low or at a support. And I've noticed this week that they've been doing pretty good, like just seeing price go up and come down and creating some sort of strong hammer candle. And yeah, just playing those candles. I know that that is frowned upon for a lot of people to just trade candlesticks, but I don't know. Like I said, hammer candles are like the sentiment is so, I mean, it's very clear, like bears are getting wrecked. Like they're thinking it's coming down and it's just whoop, coming back up. So anyways, yeah, saw this little hammer candle, doji type candle. I got in above the high, stop a little bit below the low. Stop could have been a little higher, to be honest. But anyways, and tried to target 1R. At first, I was wanting to exit around, having price go up to the new high, making a new high. I would have exited. And once exited one contract here. Once we got this tweezer top pattern, it's these candles that have the exact same high. I was a little nervous because I was like, oh, that's pretty bearish. But I still wanted to hold on. And I noticed that we kind of were copying NVIDIA for a little bit. NVIDIA was carrying us. We kind of were like making the same types of moves, as NVIDIA. So because NVIDIA is strong, I kind of had a little bit of faith. So I didn't get too worried about this tweezer top. But I will say then I once we came down here, started coming back up again, created another hammer candle right here. I mean, even, let me see something. Yeah, even this hammer candle, literally could have played that and would have won. I realized, okay, we're in this pennant pattern. If we break out, I'll exit another contract at 1R, which we did. And then I eventually got stopped out in the green on my last contract. So there's that. And then the other trade, kind of similar. I was kind of looking at this hammer candle. Really, I probably should have looked at this hammer candle right here. I mean, this would have been a much better hammer. Let's see, how would that look? Yeah, I mean, that was so much better. Anyways, but for whatever reason, I decided to kind of play off of this little bull hammer candle. And then also it happened to be, I mean, kind of 10 EMA-ish. We had this sort of consolidation chop happen all above the 10 EMA. So I kept that in mind as well. Had to stop a little bit below this hammer candle. And yeah, at, let's see, at my 1R, I believe I exited 2 contracts. Then the last one, I just exited here, somewhere like that. Anyways, and then I set up a third trade to get long above this, which was the first bear candle opening, closing above the 10 EMA. And then we had this consolidation doing the same thing. but I never got triggered in. So we're kind of coming down. I'm wondering if anything will kind of spike back up. But yeah, that's kind of where the account is at. And I'm probably not going to be, if I, depending on like Monday, Tuesday, I won't be in as much of a YOLO mode. If I bring my account up, and then also before the 19th, because it's my renewal on this eval, if I've brought it up a good amount, if I've brought the account up, $800 or $1,000 above, $25,800 or something like that, then I won't cancel this eval. I'll just let it renew, and I don't know, seeing if I can continue working with it. But if not, I don't know, I guess by next Friday, if I'm still if it's just really low and it's just really hard for me to bring it back, I'll just cancel this one. So yeah, that's kind of my plan. I may still buy a new eval this weekend, so I may just do that regardless. But that's kind of where I'm at. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next one.